Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to delete Instagram avatar using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to launch your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking the profile button at the lower right corner of your screen. And now, just go ahead and click on Edit Profile. And you want to click on your avatar profile at the upper part of your screen. Okay. So now, you want to click on Edit Avatar. Go to Appearance section. And now you can see the delete bin at the right side of the screen. So just go ahead and click on that. And it says that this avatar will be deleted permanently from all synced accounts. So if you're sure about your action, just go ahead and click on delete. And now you can just go ahead and click exit editor. So now your avatar is now deleted. So that is how you delete your Instagram avatar. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.